Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to take advantage of artificial intelligence so you can bid on Upwork contracts faster and better than all of your competitors in your niche. Now this is a tactic that I have used for a very long time. It's a tactic that still works today in 2025, and I know this because I run an agency called Upmatch, and Upmatch basically helps freelancers grow on the platform of upwork.com. So we're specialists in the platform of Upwork, and we know that this tactic is working very well right now. I have over 80 active clients. I have enough data to confirm that. And the first step of what we need to do is we need to draft a cover letter. So I'm going to show you an example cover letter from one of my clients, Brian, who is a HubSpot automation CRM expert. And I'm going to show you this cover letter because it's performing very, very well. But a good cover letter is threefold. It's short and sweet. The opener is key. It has to have a good opener because it's going to hook the attention of the prospect. And it has to be tailored to the job that you're bidding on. And I'm going to show you what I mean by this. So this is Brian Young's cover letter. Brian Young is a client of mine that has joined just over a month ago. This is our Slack room where we communicate with our clients. And Brian just closed a $2,000 plus deal through Upwork. And he's got another one in the pipeline where he's going to close them at $4,000 a month, very likely in the next couple of days, all of which because of this cover letter. The cover letter starts off with, I recorded this quick Loom video for you. Insert URL. Now I'm going to explain to you what we put here later. This is not something that you have to record a Loom video for every time you bid on a contract. I'm going to show you a smart way of putting this section in. From your post, it looks like that you're looking for, and then insert quick summary of the job description. Now this section is a little paragraph where he sells himself. It's not tailored to the job. It's just a section for Brian to sell himself. That's exactly where I can help. I'm a Wharton MBA candidate, seasoned growth strategist, and co-founder of Pathfinder, an AI-powered custom intelligence platform built with IBM. Over the last 20 years, I've scaled both startups and Fortune 500 brands through lifecycle automation, CRO, and CRM strategies that drive measurable revenue growth. Now we go back to tailored. In 1 to 2 sentences, directly address the client's requirements, questions from the job post, mirroring their tone and priorities. These sections is something that we're going to get AI to fill out, and I'm going to show you how. And then we move on to 3 good wins of Brian and when would be a good time to chat. Now, this is nice, short, sweet, gives off a section for Brian to sell himself, shows that he's read the job description and has a video in there. And I'm going to show you how to get AI to do all of this for you. Now, the first thing is we need to open up ChatGPT and train the model, right? I am bidding on Upwork contracts. I am going to feed you my cover letter and I simply want you to process it. Understand? And then we're going to take this. Got it. I'll just process and understand your cover letter. When you share it, I won't edit, change, or critique. Fantastic. And then we're going to paste this in there. I'm just going to update the spacing. Fantastic. Okay. Then the last one. Here we go. Now, we've given ChatGPT our cover letter. It knows exactly what we're doing. Perfect process, cover letter structure, etc. It's just giving us some feedback, but that's great. So now what we're going to do is open up Upwork. And when we go to Upwork, we now need to find contracts that we want to bid on. So here's an example, just for reference. This is an example of a contract that we would bid on for Brian. And what we're going to do is we're going to feed ChatGPT this, okay? The job description of what we're about to apply to, okay? So the first step is, I am now going to give you the job descriptions of the contracts I will apply to today. Please tailor the information from the job description to my cover letter, ensuring these sections, these brackets sections are filled correctly and they make sense. Perfect. Just drop each job description here one by one. Fantastic. Okay. Now, the only thing it's not going to be able to fill for us is the URL. That's something we're going to do afterwards. So we've just put in job description number 1. And what it's done is it's tailored it. So we just take this, I'm going to paste it in here. I recorded this quick Loom video for you. From your post, it looks like you're looking for an experienced HubSpot specialist to set up Sales Hub, build clean workflows and streamline automation so your team can manage leads, follow-ups, and services processes efficiently without overcomplication. Now, what I would do at this point to train the model better is I would say, don't elongate the sentence that is personalized because this sounds like AI wrote it. So I would go back and say, keep the tailored sections short and sweet. We don't want them too long because then they sound robotic. All right, so this is us training the model, and this is a model that you're going to use again and again and again, so you don't need to train it more than once. You only need to give it this information one time, and it will always pull out good cover letters for you in future. From your post, it looks like you need a HubSpot setup with a clean workflow and automation to streamline sales and service processes without adding complexity. That's exactly where I can help. This is the section that isn't tailored. I built HubSpot workflows, pipelines, and automations that keep things simple yet effective, ensuring teams can manage leads, follow-ups, and service tasks smoothly. It's now tailored for what that individual on Upwork was looking for to the cover letter. So now this cover letter is perfectly tailored in wording to that job post. The other thing we want to do now, and this is the additional trick and something that will massively spike your response rate. You want to record one Loom video only one time. And the Loom video is very simple. All you need, and we've done this stage, prepare AI model, all you need is a 2-3 minute video. Okay, I'm going to tell you the best opening line to say in the video. You need high energy and you need a good background. Now, I'm going to show you an example of my Loom video. My Loom video is 2 minutes long. And the way I start off the Loom video is I say, hey, I just came across your Upwork contract and I think I'm perfectly suited for what it is you're looking for. My name is Ali. I'm a Facebook advertising specialist. I've been doing this for 7 years. Let me tell you a little bit about my background portfolio. And then I go through some clients I've worked with. It's 2-3 minutes long. It's so simple. You can record it in seconds. You can record it in the next 20 minutes. And once it's done, it's done. You can reuse it again and again and again. And I'm going to show you how. Once you've made your Loom video, once you've completed it, you'll go ahead and download it. And then you'll hop in, once it's downloaded, you'll hop over to the loom.com page, just like this. And what you'll do every time you apply to a new contract is you're going to click add video. You're going to upload that exact video that we just downloaded. So I'm going to show you what I mean by this. Upload. I'm going to drag that video in that we've just recorded, upload it. We're going to go back, take the title of the contract we're about to apply to. We're taking just the title. And then we're going to change the title of this Loom video so it says the same title as the Upwork contract. This is really powerful, and I'm going to explain to you why. It makes a lot of people think that you made the video specifically for them, and I'm telling you this from data. I do this for over 80 clients inside of Upmatch. I did this for my own freelancer account when I was bidding on Upwork, and I'm telling you this works very, very well. It's really powerful. You'll get messages from people that say thank you for making that video for me because they think you made it for them, even though you didn't. So you'll do this, and you'll put 23, today's date, August 2025. The reason you put today's date is because you want them to come to the come to this Loom video and see, this video was uploaded less than a minute ago. The title matches my title and the date is today. So it gives the impression that you made the video specifically for them. So we take the URL of this video and we put it in the cover letter. So now what you have is a cover letter that has a personalized video. It has a personalized written message for that prospect. And you can do this so fast, 10 to 20 times a day, and your response rate, I guarantee, will improve. So you just copy this, and we'd head over to Upwork, and we'd go in, and we'd basically drop this in the cover letter and apply. We've already applied to this job. But now that we know our process, we're going to do this for 15 to 20 projects a day. And this is a tactic that I recommend. If you can't afford 15 to 20 a day in terms of connects, then do 5 a day, do 6 a day, but pick a number that you can do every single day. Go in to Upwork. Find a bunch of relevant jobs, like 1, 2, open them in new tabs, 3, 4, we've already applied to this, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we'll have 8 jobs that we are going to apply to today. And with each of them, we're just going to click apply now, apply now, apply now. So it takes us all to this page on all of the tabs. And then we're simply going to just copy this, go back to ChatGPT, new job, paste it in, and it's going to give us a tailored cover letter every single time. And then all we need to do is go back to Loom, re-upload another video, and change the title so it matches the title on this job that we're about to apply to now, and paste. And this is something that you just repeat every day. With AI, you can now do this so much faster and so much better because you can basically just drop in the job descriptions into ChatGPT. So now you've got the text covered, and then you can just upload 10 videos a day, assuming you're bidding on 10 contracts a day, upload the Loom video 10 times and just change the title manually. That way you can apply to 10 a day within 45 minutes of work, and all of them were personalized messages. And with Upwork, considering they're warm leads, right? These people are looking for your service because they've posted a contract. This is so effective to get a response rate from warm leads. And I highly recommend implementing this. This has worked very well for myself. It's worked very well for a lot of the clients inside of Upmatch. And essentially with AI, you've got speed and automation. It's just going to make the process better. A lot of people still aren't using this in 2025. I highly recommend taking advantage of this if you want to outcompete your competitors.